Yep, they arrived. Can't wait to open them. I wanted y'all to see them too. These are the new LED corner lights from covet-19. They match the rear. Just waking up. I had a long night at work. But let's get it. And we'll get these open. Yes. Okay. Excuse me, people. Excuse me. Of course, packing list. They are the smoked. Just let it focus. I think my phone just woke up too. Oh, AF. Alright, cool. Packing list. They give you a sticker. Cool, I like that. And a few cards. Awesome. Alright. And they put them in another box. Alright, let's get this. Hey, peeps. What's that? Oh, okay. Cool. You got other stuff in here. You get your covet-19 keychain. I don't know if this is, I think this is just packing. Yeah, that's just us. Alright. Here's the hut. Oh, man. There we go. Ooh. You got your resistors. Very nice. You get two of them. And the all anticipated LED. One day, people, one day. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna set this down. Alright, sorry about that. Here they are. Wow. I'll take one of these off so y'all can see. I'm gonna shut the lid. The lid. Very nice. Yeah, that's gonna be beautiful. Wow. Yeah, there's a LED at the bottom, and then that lights up like the other one. They are sequential too. So, and it's all plug and play. And I think you're anyway, I'll get them in and do some videos and testing after. Very well built. I like them. Alright, that's the C5 covet-19 corner LEDs. This is the smoke. I have to say, I do like it a lot. Sorry, I'm still half asleep, people.